Hello students, today in this video I'm going to discuss the solution of your assignment 5. So the first question is uh, uh, which physical quantity does electron volt measures? So electron volt is the unit of energy. Not that point, it is used to measure the energy. Now how it is related to the SI unit of that quantity? So 1 electron volt is given by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So this is the relation between 1 electron volt and joule. So now how this comes we will discuss later in your class 10th when we take up the chapter related to electricity and current. Now moving to our question number 2. In question number 2, um, you have to calculate uh, minimum and maximum work. So we know that work is given by work is equals to F into D into cos theta, where F is the force applied, D is the displacement in the direction of force, and theta is the angle between force and displacement. So we know that now basically work depends upon three factors. First is force applied, second is displacement, and third one is cos theta. So we have to calculate the condition for minimum work and for maximum work. So we know that the minimum value of cos theta is -1 and maximum value for cos theta is +1. You must have learned this in the trigonometry of class 9th. So now if I wish to calculate minimum work, W minimum is equals to F into D, and cos theta is replaced by -1. So minimum work is equal to minus FD. If we talk about maximum work, so W maximum is equals to F into D, and put the maximum value of the cos theta, that is +1. So maximum work will be equal to FD. Now we have to determine the condition. So we know that minimum work occurs when cos theta is -1. So we know that cos theta is -1 for theta is equals to 180, which means suppose you are applying a force in this particular direction and your displacement is taking place in this particular direction. This is your direction of displacement and this is direction of force. So here is the angle of 180, which means अगर जो कभी ऐसा हो जाए कि आपका जो डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो रहा हो वो फोर्स के ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में है तो वर्क आपका मिनिमम आएगा, बिकॉज यहाँ पे एंगल जो हमारा क्रिएट हो रहा है वो 180 का बन रहा है. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस फॉर मैक्सिमम वर्क cos theta is equals to +1 and the value of cos is +1 for theta is equals to 0. So 0 का मतलब ये suppose you are applying फोर्स इन दिस डायरेक्शन, सो दोनों के बीच का एंगल 0, इसका मतलब है कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट भी हमारा इसी डायरेक्शन में होना चाहिए. सो दिस इज़ द केस ऑफ मैक्सिमम वर्क. इसका मतलब अगर जो आपको मैक्सिमम वर्क चाहिए सो आपका फोर्स एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट दोनों एक ही डायरेक्शन में होना चाहिए. I hope question number 2 is clear to you. Now moving ahead to question number 3. In question number 3, work done by the heart is 1 joule per beat. You have to calculate the power of the heart. Now you know that our heart beats 72 times in a minute. That is, time is equals to 60 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds, and number of beats is 72. So total work done W is equals to 72 into 1, because हर एक हार्ट बीट में वो 1 जूल का वर्क कर रहा है. सो योर वर्क विल इज इक्वल टू 72 जूल. नाउ you have to calculate power. So power is given by W upon T. So W is 72 and T is 60. So on solving we get, you can solve it out and can calculate the answer. I hope you are comfortable with calculating this simple calculation. Now moving ahead towards our next question, question number 4. In question number 4, uh, what is meant by the statement critical angle for the diamond is 24? So इसका basically मतलब यही होता है कि suppose this is your diamond, structure of diamond. So suppose this ray is incident and the incidence angle is 24. Since this 24 is equal to the critical angle, so this ray will refracted along the interface of the diamond and air. So this is what means. So iska answer basically you can write it as that whenever a ray comes at an incidence angle of 24, it will be refracted along the interface of diamond and air or any other material. Now how it is related to the to its Ri. Now you can see that this ray is going from diamond to air. So suppose this is our diamond and this is air. So ray is going from diamond to air, that is DNA. DNA means ray is going from diamond to air, and N is the refractive index. So DNA we know sin I upon sin R. Now we know that incidence angle is 24, so sin 24, and refraction angle becomes 90 degree. Since this is the normal, so this angle will be equal to 90. So basically have sin 24, sin 90 becomes 1. Now DNA, this is the formula. So DNA आपको पता होगा, I have explained about this. So DNA is the refractive index of air with respect to diamond. Now DNA is equal to Na upon Nd. Na is the refractive index of air and Nd is the refractive index of diamond. Now we know that Na is equals to 1, that is refractive index of air is always 1. Now we have 1 upon Nd is equals to sin 24. Now we can take this Nd into numerator. So your sin 24 will come in the denominator. So your Nd becomes 1 upon sin 24, or I can simply write Nd is equals to 1 upon sin C. Since अगर जो बेसिकली मैं डायमंड स्पेसिफिक बात करूँगा तो हमारा 24 रहेगा, बट अगर जो हमें कोई जर्नल फार्मूला डिराइव करना है, सो दिस डी कैन नॉट बी यूज्ड हियर. अगर जो कोई हमें जर्नल फार्मूला डिराइव करना है, सो एन इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन साइन सी, वेयर सी इज द क्रिटिकल एंगल फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर सब्सटेंस. So this is our journal formula, and if we talk about this particular question, so we have Nd is equals to 1 upon sin 24. So by using this method you can derive the formula for any given medium. Now question number 5 is you have to mention the differences between mass and weight. So I hope you all will be clear about this particular question, so I'm not going to take up this. We head towards our next question, that is question number 6, which is calculate the height through which a body of mass 0.5 kg should be lifted if energy is spent in doing, that is, so energy is given to you, E is equals to 1 joule, G is given as 10, and M is given as 0.5 kg. So you have to calculate height. So E is given by mgh. You can also write U here, so I am putting E here. So E is equals to 1, M is equals to 0.5, and G is equals to 10. Now H is equals to, so we will multiply, we get 1 upon 5, so H is equals to 0.2 meter. This is a very easy question. Now again this question, question number 7 has been discussed through the video. Basically आपको एक रे डायग्राम बनाना है when object and image का साइज हमारा इक्वल होता है, and the lens is not given here actually. So I think we will take up convex lens, and object को हमें कहाँ रखना है आपको पता है. Object is placed at the 2f distance, that is at this particular point, and you get image here at the 2f. This is 2f1 and this is 2f2 at the 2f2. So you can clear it from the video where different conditions for the image formation of convex lens were discussed.